There is something magical about making your own clothes, from the meditative process of sewing to the reward of creating a bespoke wardrobe that fits you and your style perfectly. It is a real privilege to be able to share my wealth of knowledge and experience through teaching to other people. My name is Helen Rhiannon. I am a bridal wear designer, an author and a sewing expert based in South Wales. As well as being a bespoke designer, I have taught people of all ages how to make their own garments, from secondary school to further and higher education and beyond. In 2010, I set up the All Sewn Up Wales workshops, where I help teach people of all ages around the world how to develop their skills. In 2023, I combined my two passions, dressmaking and teaching, to publish my second best-selling book with Search Press, Dressmaking the Easy Guide, which teaches students how to work like a designer, how to make a calico toile to perfect the fit, and how to pattern cut their own wardrobe. On this course, we bring the book to life as I guide you through the steps required to create dresses and separates. I'll be sharing my expert hints and tips along the way. We'll work together through the process from start to finish. You will learn how to pattern cut your own designs, how to perfect the fit, and then you'll learn how to draft sleeves, necklines and skirts to be able to mix and match and create over 80 variations. I would love you to join me on this course and start your own dressmaking journey, developing skills that will enrich your own life and wardrobe for many years to come.